Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be pulling off the torque tube and hopefully yanking this engine out. We'll see where we go from there. It's going to be a pretty labor intensive day, so let's get to work. $6mm bolt to take out the coupler. There's 2 bolts here on the bottom of the transmission to the torque tube and then 2 on the top. That's the shifter controller. Alright, here you see the torque tube bolts are taken out of the clutch housing, and I'm going to be taking off the clutch lever, I guess is what it's called. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're pulling the engine out. Stay tuned and be safe.
Alright, after we removed the bolts for the bell housing for the torque tube, I put it in a handy dandy extra bell housing that I have laying around so we remember where we put the bolts. I hope you guys like my engine stand. I think this is going to work out really good. Gives me full access to the engine, and it supports everything that I need. Alright guys, that's it for today. We're going to go home and relax on Easter weekend. Thanks. Have a good night.